I think I'd have a rock solid argument if it was spelled out.
Did it?
I've got the crazy hair, just a lot of hairspray. The people behind the camera get a little irritated with me because I put a lot of hairspray on, but I do it in a small room so it like smokes everyone out. All right, we're gonna grab the card. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. What gem am I going to see? Isn't there a soup that has alphabet little letters in it?
Alphabet soup.
Yeah, it's like what, Chef Boyardee or something? I don't know. That was like one of those soups I used to eat when I was like babysitting, because like I didn't have that at my house, and like I would like make that for the kids. It's the only time I ever had alphabet soup was when I was like babysitting.
What are the alphabet?
Gemstones? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, I can't. What? This is pretty weird, y'all. I don't know, guys. It's some sort of stone with creepy looking letters on it. I'm gonna bring Christopher in, and he thinks he's gonna be an expert, but he's really gonna host the rest of the video because I don't know what this is.
Hello. I brought my own set.
This is so creepy.
They are, aren't they? They look kind of like a ransom note. In fact, this is why I brought my my set out here. This is my favorite set. This one's even more gnarly than that.
So what are we talking about today?
So what we're talking about is agate. These are alphabet chalcedonies or alphabet agates. Sometimes you find them in the form of crosses as well, which is really just a teeth.
Wait, so this is not?
Nope.
This is not natural.
These are natural.
I don't believe it.
One of the things too is you're supposed to be surprised by these. You're not supposed to know what it is. You got to mind your P's and Q's. So I got these from a gentleman in the Denver show.
Are you sure
a couple of years ago.
Truth?
Well, I never take it for granted on things like that. So I actually walked around the show. I had found a gentleman who was from Indonesia, where these come from. There are some when they first came out back in about 2010, when they first started popping up, that a lot of people thought that they were faked.
There's no way.
Well, if you
No
look
way.
at them closely, if you have a loop on you, which you gotta have.
You know what? If this YouTube channel can fake me being funny, it can't be that hard to fake some letters on a gemstone.
It would be possible to do it. There is a method called quench cracking, whereby
Quench crackling. Okay, yeah.
So if you take the pieces and you heat them up and then you dip them into water, you can actually cause cracks to form. However, if you look at these, look at the letters, and what do you see around the letters? You see the little concentric lines from the growth like agate, the little agate lines.
Christopher, these are creepy. All right, I'm sorry. I trust your gemological skills,
So
but I do not believe
when you look at these under magnification, you can see the lines from the agates. The controversy on these is more not so much natural versus not natural. If you can see the growth lines, then you know that an agate has formed that way.
No, there is no way that it looks. There is no way that they look like that.
I've got a piece of
What,
that
does it say feed me?
No, it's the natural stone, uncut, and you can actually pick out several alphabet letters in that. Which
Sorry,
is why I
I
keep
just
that one
think
uncut.
this is too the R. Christopher, there is
Now,
no way. You
the
just
color-
tell me you're kidding me.
Not kidding you.
I really,
Not
I
kidding you.
don't like being messed with.
So these specific sets, I bought them, not the gentleman that I bought them from, I took them to another gentleman after I had purchased them, and he was from Indonesia, and I asked him, would you mind taking a look at something and letting me know your opinion on its authenticity? And the moment I pulled the alphabet out before I even opened the package, as soon as he saw the paper, he looked at those and he says, I know that guy, I know where they were dug, I've seen them coming out of the ground, those are legitimate.
So they come out of the ground with the letters on them.
They come out of the ground as a large
In batches
mass.
of 26.
No. No. In fact, one of the things that you'll find is you're going to get a lot more I's, you're going to get a lot more H's, you're going to get a lot more T's. All
How
the
the
ones
heck
that
do you
have
get an R?
Exactly. It's got to have a really crazy intersection. And when you look at it, you'll notice that like the A and the R are very similar. It's just the R is just a little bit less symmetrical than the A is, but you also
All right.
notice that they're very angular.
We're gonna play, how is this stone? Maybe this isn't trivia, I don't know. Okay, so this comes out as a mass of what?
So it
Start
literally...
from the end and go, maybe, start from the beginning to the end.
So it comes out as a chalcedony
Okay.
with this color.
Chalcedony is a type of quartz, what, 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale? 7 to 7.5, yeah.
And it has all of these lines shooting through it in 3 dimensions. Think of like a jungle gym.
So these are cut this way?
They're cut this way.
Okay,
Yes.
I can
yes.
believe that now.
So imagine if you're looking at a jungle gym, a big jungle gym on a playground, and if you move in a certain direction, then you can make a C. If you move up here on top of the slide and look down that way, maybe you could get it to look like a Q. That's what they have to do, is the lapidary has to take this rock with these lines going in all these different dimensions and find the letters and cut them out.
Okay, so that's a great analogy, by the way. So this is not just the little stones come out like this big.
No,
These
no,
are
no, no.
cut.
These
Okay, I
are
can
large
believe.
stones that the letters are then made from.
I think I can believe
yes.
that now.
The one controversy with them is not so much the formation of the letters, but whether or not they have been enhanced. We've sold the crosses here. I don't think we've ever, which again, the cross is just basically a little
Are
letter
these
T.
enhanced?
The coloring agent is iron, and the problem is if they're iron stained in the ground naturally, or if they've actually been enhanced by soaking with basically rust to get the iron stain in there, we can't really differentiate that. So whenever we've sold them, we always sell them as enhanced because we can't really prove that they're not.
That's cool.
So it's always just better to be safe than sorry. But even if they are enhanced to enhance the color, the actual formation themselves are pretty cool.
Okay, this is pretty cool.
You wind up again a lot of the
Wanna
times
see
with
yours?
extra I's and T's and E's and
Do you
M's.
pay for a complete set, or do you collect them as you go?
Well, these I purchased as a complete set. I actually, if I remember correctly, I think I bought enough loose ones to spell my name, just to have an extra little set for
All right,
loose ones.
so
But if you ever get a ransom note and it's done in these, then you know they've got me.
Oh, yeah,
so
totally.
for sure.
Yeah. All right, so let's say that we've got some viewers who want to purchase something like this. Where would you go?
Well, they come out of Indonesia. Sometimes it shows. I've only
Shows like
usually
the
like the
Tucson
Tucson
Gem
Gem and Mineral Show or the Denver Show. Those were the only ones that I saw that year. No, I'm sorry. I saw 2 people who had them that year, and in Tucson you might have 2 or 3 people who would have pieces.
Do they have the full alphabet?
Getting the full alphabets is a little trickier.
How much does a full alphabet cost?
Depending on the alphabet, somewhere
Quality, obviously.
around
size.
$350 to $600 and up.
Wow, that's That's unfortunate that for some creepy letters you have to pay that much money.
Yeah. And of course, one of the things you can do is
You
you
would
can...
have gotten mad at me if I ripped the N off.
No, you can go ahead and take it off. In
kidding.
fact, you need to start taking those off now because that's what the challenge is. You've got only a set of letters, and one of the things that's really fun with that is to see what you can spell out of it. So what I want to challenge
really
you to
bad at
do,
those games.
what is the longest word that you can spell with that?
I don't know. The longest word.
Oh, come on. You can't Google it.
Single-
You gotta
Nope.
I gotta try
You gotta
it?
try it. You gotta try it.
You don't care that I'm ripping them off?
Nope.
H?
No, that's fine.
No, hamburger's wrong. There's 2 R's. Can I make the A count as an R?
No.
You wouldn't know. Oh, but then I had.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, I've
Oh,
got one.
no. I got one now.
Okie doke.
T U R M A.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep mine.
L.
I'm just doing a quick one here. She's got a
I-
good one.
N E. Tourmaline.
That's very nice. See, all I
Do
did
you wanna
was,
know how I know
I
that?
just did unbox. So again, these are just really, really fun. They make for a great display. But again, it gives you some idea as to what lapidaries have to do. It's not just all about faceting gemstones. There's a lot of work that goes into even making cabochon gemstones. You really have to look at the rough, you have to plan it out, and you have to maximize what you're gonna get out of it.
Wow, this is wild. I literally had no clue this existed in the gem business. I was getting a little tired at the end of the day, but this is interesting. So I was able to wake up a little bit, and this was fun. You should do this maybe more often.
I'll see what else I can find.
Creepy ransom note looking things on the channel. I was thoroughly impressed with the set. Kind of creeped out. All right, everyone. Christopher's gonna have you take a closer look at
the letter V on this one. So this one actually shows some of the growth patterns in the agates, which is what you're looking for. You definitely want to see that to make sure that there's natural growth patterns in the rock forming the letters, and not just something that's either been carved or otherwise artificially made.
I could spell thank you for watching with the 2 sets of gemstones. But anyways, thank you for watching, and tell Christopher thank you in the comments. I had absolutely no clue we were gonna talk about this today. I was expecting gold or diamonds or jewelry. I did not expect alphabet agate?
Yep.
Alphabet agate. So I was definitely surprised, kind of creeped out because this looks like a ransom note. But anyways, like and subscribe and tell us what you thought. Were you creeped out or were you blown away by alphabet agate? Comment below, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.